po. Pag kaya mo to.
Huwag mo na kayo balik, Pia. Nag-aaway pa yung dalawa hanggang ngayon nagsisisihan, Tito Sen.
Halos pagpatayan doon dalawa eh. Kulang na lang
Kung
eh.
may LQ na nagaganap sa isang side at sa kabilang side naman.
Hindi na nag-uusap yan.
Parang nagre-ready na ang huling pares natin, Alan na.
Minamasahe pa eh.
Panay ang masahe ni Sugar. Kaya ang highest score po dito sa game na to, 1.
1. Si Alisa at si Joey yun. Kaya Big Sugar Quiz 2.
Alam mo yung costume ni Big na yan?
Yes, Tito
Huli
Sen.
ko nakita yan sa Karate Kid eh.
Aba.
Ay, ibig sabihin niyan, palaban na. Yun ba yan?
Ayun.
Oh.
Hindi naman, medyo parang gustong pumutok ng ulo ko.
No, Chong!
Namamind break ka.
Master of Ceremonies, can I be excused for a while?
Why?
Okay.
I have
For
to
what?
call my assistant.
Assistant.
Okay, okay.
Alam mo ba?
Oh, why?
Okay.
Ay,
Inom lang ng
inom mo.
gamot, Tito Sen.
Medyo...
Ano yung pinainom mo sa akin?
Ha?
Ha? Sa
Ano?
LBM mo lang.
Ano pang LBM?
Sabi ko para sa sakit ng ulo, hindi sa tiyan. Diretso na lang doon.
Halo-halo na yun. Halo-halo na.
Ako inaasahan na.
Okay.
Sakit ng ulo. Okay. Kulay orange.
Oh,
What?
Ang
no hand gesture ha?
Yes. And
You have
Chong,
something to say?
yeah, don't nervous because this is do this. Okay? We're fine. Okay? Don't think them.
What?
Don't
Don't what?
think them.
Huwag mo silang
Awag ko sila
isipin.
isipin.
Aba, si Jimmy pa ang nag-translate. Okay, 10 salita to Sugar, ha?
Yeah.
No Tagalog words.
Tagalog word ha?
No hand gestures.
Hand gesture ha?
Walang letter-letter. Ready? Go!
1. This is Tagalog. This is from poor like me.
Yeah?
Yes, this is afternoon in Calyest.
What is
Yeah.
this?
Street food?
This is
Food.
this Miranda's
Ha?
Yes.
Merienda? Merienda?
She
Banana Q?
Yes, this my balance.
Maruya?
Go.
Lumpia?
English!
No.
English!
What? This is English?
Yeah, I know. Tagalog.
Barbecue?
No, go ahead, go ahead.
Adidas?
Yeah. Go. No, it's right in your mouth. After. Go.
Gawa?
Yeah,
Pass.
No.
Next,
Go.
Number 2.
This is this is
English, Tagalog?
English. This is animals. Yeah. This is wings. Wings have wings.
Bird? A bird?
No. Animals. Come on, in down.
What?
Yeah, in down. In floor.
Huh?
In floor.
In floor.
In floor.
In floor.
It's
Underground.
It's logis. Onse.
What?
Logis. Logis.
Rooster.
English.
Chicken.
Yes, and the other is it's ting.
No.
It's
Is it chicken?
chicken. May next po yun.
May next
Hey.
May second word.
This is Frankie. Paxi. This is
You can pass,
Hoy,
you can pass.
Pass.
This is singer in outside.
Foreign?
Yeah. In this, it's ang ganda.
Ano, Tagalog?
Beautiful. And
Girl?
No. Boy.
Boy.
Singer. It's a singer.
What did he sing?
Bang. Woo!
Ricky Martin.
Yes. Score. And it's movie.
1 point.
It's movie. This is wow. Shang-Chi Nazi Zanza. Sinsa. This is Kwani Shang-Chi.
Samurai?
Go. It's Zhang
Ninja.
Go. It's so hard to speak.
Pass.
May hirap daw sabihin.
Next, number
Okay.
5.
English, Tagalog.
It's other country. It's not Philippines.
Yeah.
It's other
Number
country.
Is it a country?
Yeah, Asian. Come on. This is it.
China?
Go.
Indonesia?
Go. Okay.
Malaysia?
Come on, this.
India?
This is it.
Sounds like what?
Nasaan ka ba?
It sounds like
Dito pa kayo sa number 5 eh.
Number 5.
Ito pa
Hey,
ako eh.
it's 5. It's Kuya Jose. It's Kuya Jose.
Naubos.
No more?
It's Kuya Jose.
Alam mo ba kung ano sinasabi, Kuya Jose? Jose, halika dito. Alam mo ba kung ano yung sinasabing Kuya Jose? Durian!
Tatanong ko dapat alam ni Bossing yun eh. Konti na lang, mahulaan na niya yun eh.
Kuya Jose, durian!
Hindi ako durian, langka.
It's the same.
So, naka 1 point po si Vic at si Sugar. Naka 1 point din si Alisa at si Joey. Pero, mas mabilis naka 1 point si Joey at si Alisa. Any comments? Any comment?
Oh, magiging ka na sorry kay Vic.
Congratulated, Joey.
Magiging ka sorry.
I'm sorry, Chong, but we'll do this naman eh to others.
At least nakatabla kayo.
Sila Joey!
Kailan naging English yung turun?
It's banana Q, sabi
You
mo.
said English eh.
No, Tagalog. Yeah, it's poor in food.
Away na to, away na.
Put down, put. What do you mean, put poor? What's
Yung
poor
number
about-
2, yung number 2.
Ano mahirap to sa turun eh? Kinakain sa kongreso yan.
O, paano
Oh.
yung number 2?
Okay, second.
Second, animals.
It's chicken.
Chicken pox yan eh.
May sakit.
Ano ba yung chicken pox?
Sinabi mo, sick.
Akala ko po kasi
Chicken.
yung frog, di ba yung pox?
Naku, baka umiyak na naman si Sugar nito.
Ayun, galit si Vic. Ala, galit si
Ilang
Vic.
araw tayo nag-practice.
Sorry po.
Pinahiya mo si Big Soto, bihira na nga sumali sa mga game niya, hiniya mo pa.
Hindi na nga ako natulog eh.
Yun,
Oh, di ba? Di pala
yung chicken
natulog.
pox, bulutong yan, bulutong, di animals.
Di pala
Hindi na ako
natulog.
natulog para lang nalo.
Ayun.
Tsaka yung durian, hindi country yun. Fruit.
Di ba? Si Kuya Jose, di ba durian yun?
Humanap ka pa ng kaaway.
Okay. Hindi, natalon siya. Spain ang nakita niya. Imbis na durian, kasunod Spain. kaya sabi country. Natalon na.
Wala na, Sugar. Talo kayo. Kagagawan mo.
Dali.
Kaya ang nanalo si Joey at si Alisa.
Okay.
Sila may pinaka...
Di bale, may return back
Mabilis
ito.
na nakuha.
Baka pagkombinasyon na natin. Jose, Sugar. Ano malay mo? Remat, sabangan nyo yan.
Tilan mo, nasama ng loob, may sasabihin pa sana si Vic.
Hindi
Lumayas
ako
na lang.
magsalita.
Magbabalik kami!